This is a strategic partnership proposal focused on unlocking alpha in your reserves. The future of coal is not combustion, it is dissection. Why sell coal by the ton when you can share in the molecular wealth of the energy transition? Global regulatory pressure and ESG mandates are creating an industry crisis, rendering traditional coal mining high risk. Axiom Molecular changes the game by eliminating combustion entirely. The old way, mining raw ore for thermal combustion, faces declining ROI. The Axiom Way is molecular dissection into graphene and hydrogen, with ROI measured in months, not years. Axiom Molecular is a disruption. We use microwave plasma to dissect, not burn, achieving 115% carbon removal. We bring the hardware, ensuring zero Capex for you. Our technology transforms raw ore to pure, electronics-grade carbon in milliseconds. Molecular dissection offers precision at the atomic level. Axiom's microwave plasma cracking, or MPC, is surgical, releasing pure hydrogen and preventing CO2 formation. This green shield technology makes your mine the cleanest industrial site in the region. Stage 1 is plasma flash cracking. This process instantly vaporizes pulverized coal with a 10,000 degrees Celsius plasma arc, separating carbon and hydrogen from mineral impurities for the highest grade carbon output. Stage 2 is microwave resonance. The gasified carbon enters the microwave zone, where precision resonance forces atoms to crystallize into high-purity graphene sheets, the gold standard for semiconductors and EV batteries. Our feedstock-agnostic design handles any grade, from anthracite to lignite. The flash stage removes impurities for any purity, and the modular design allows for any scale, from 10 sleds to 1 gigawatt clusters. Our operational input requirements include a daily input of 70 MT per sled, a particle size of less than 100 microns, and a moisture content of less than 2%. The sled offers modular scalability through parallel scaling. We deploy 40-foot high cube sleds, allowing for immediate revenue recognition within months, not years. The outputs turn carbon liability into high-value commodity assets. Scientific grade is the world's best graphene. Axiom produces scientific-grade carbon with greater than 99.9% purity for semiconductor firms and EV battery giants, structuring coal into its most valuable form. We produce emerald hydrogen, a zero-emission power source with a carbon-negative footprint. It provides the baseload power for the sleds, with 70% surplus for local industry. The high-value output matrix includes vitrified slag, an inert construction aggregate, clean fuel, which is high-density hydrogen, and advanced nano, electronics-grade carbon for the silicon revolution. The carbon mint yields a 115% verified carbon removal rate. Every ton processed creates 1.15 tons of removal credits. This revenue stream can cover the mine's operational costs. Our impact is about protecting the mine and empowering the community. Low-cost baseload power provides energy independence using emerald hydrogen. Decoupling from global markets ensures price stability for over 20 years, attracting new high-tech industries. The just transition preserves jobs. Existing staff are upskilled to manage automated plasma systems, achieving zero layoffs. The mine becomes a tech hub, attracting talent and local growth in secondary industries. Regional industrialization is achieved through an anchor infrastructure. A 1 gigawatt Axiom cluster creates a regional energy oasis, attracting data centers and manufacturing, effectively building a carbon-negative industrial heart. The graphene supercycle is driven by global demand explosion. The semiconductor and battery markets need high-purity carbon. Axiom Molecular provides the necessary volume and quality to dominate this multi-trillion-dollar transition market. The economics shift from commodity margins to high-tech profitability. This chart illustrates the profitability comparison per ton, highlighting the massive financial upside of the Axiom Way compared to the traditional combustion method. Coal is the highest alpha feedstock in the Axiom portfolio, as evidenced by the high EBITDA multiplier shown here compared to other feedstocks. Our partnership model involves Axiom providing hardware, while the mine provides the feedstock. We split the net revenue from graphene, hydrogen, and carbon credits 50-50. We project 12 months to molecular revenue. The process begins with a site audit in month 1, JV launch in month 2, sled arrival by month 12, and scale up and first dividends by month 16. The catch is that supply chain dominance is geographic. This is the irresistible offer and the last chance to pivot before carbon taxes create insolvency. Axiom Molecular selects only one flagship partner per coal basin to secure dominance. Secure your region now. The transition is happening with or without you. We suggest with. Contact Strategic Ventures to discuss this opportunity.